Hey, what's up, YouTube? Wanted to run you through a video showing you how to buy your first CroNode. So this is assuming you have set up your MetaMask wallet. This is also assuming that you have purchased your Cronos tokens and sent them to your MetaMask. If you do not know how to add the Cronos Network to your MetaMask, check a link in the description, and then also how to add the CroNodes token to your MetaMask. There's a link in the description explaining how that works as well. But assuming those two things, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to make sure that our MetaMask is on the correct network. So we're going to need to switch networks over to the Cronos network. And here you'll see my available balance of Cro, and then also the CroNodes tokens that I have available as well. So now that we're on the Cronos network, as you can see here, connected to my MetaMask, what we're going to want to do is we need to switch from our Cronos token to a CroNodes token. So bear with me, there's a lot of crows and no's and all that good stuff, but we're going to go from Cronos token, this one here, and we're going to go to CroNode. If it doesn't appear in this list, all you need to do is search up here. You can search CRN and you're going to see CroNode. And from there, we're going to just need to do a quick swap. So my available balance of Cro is this. I'm just going to click max for the purposes of this example, and you would click swap. So once you click swap, what you're going to do is you're going to have access to your CroNodes token in your MetaMask wallet. So once that has taken place, we're going to pop over to the website for the CroNodes node themselves, and you can find a link in the description directing you to this website. First things first, you need 20 CRN in order to form one node. So just make sure that you have at least a balance of 20 CRN, and I would also leave some of your Cronos, the CRO token, in your MetaMask for the gas fees. Gas fees are pretty minimal. They're usually about 0.8 CRO token per transaction. So just something to keep in mind. That does apply to your claims as well. So you might want to keep, 10 to 15 CRO tokens in your MetaMask for the gas. So once you're at this site here, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to approve for this to connect to your MetaMask wallet. So you'd click on approve. It's going to pop up a little thing in your MetaMask allowing you to connect to the CroNodes website. So I'm going to click connect. I've already gone through this. So we are connected here on the Cronos network. And so you're going to have to name your CroNode. So you can name it whatever you want. It's going to need to be at least 5 characters or more. Then you just select this button, click buy, and you would be granted your first node. There's a maximum of 100 nodes. And then what you're going to do is come back each day, generally 24-hour period, and you'd click this button, claim all. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to claim your CroNode nodes. So like I said, 0.82 CRO is necessary for the transaction. Just go ahead and click confirm. And we should have a balance in just a minute here of a few more CRN tokens that populate into my assets column. So there you go. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for taking a look.